CITP 4345 Data and Voice Communication or Convergent Technologies, presented by Robert Ho. I'd like to welcome everyone for the course. My name is Robert Ho. I will be your instructor for CITP 4345 Data and Voice Communication course. This course focuses on the study of telecommunication, convergent technologies, which include voice over IP, local area network, wide area network, wireless, voice, video, and internet protocol. The prerequisite of the course is CITP 3302, which is advanced networking. I also suggest students to review some basic Cisco commands which are available on the internet. Download and read the syllabus carefully. It is available in the STC Blackboard. Also, purchase the course material or textbook as soon as possible. Please communicate through Blackboard email if you have any questions pertaining this course. A little bit of my background. I have been at South Texas College for about 15 years and have taught some networking, information security, data and voice communication technology or project management, and some programming courses such as C++ and Visual Basic. Before that, I used to work as a system administrator in the freight forwarding companies and work in the capital market industry in the US and overseas. I also hold several IT industry certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacking, CCNA, and Security Plus, and Network Plus. Most importantly, I frequently attended IT training on a yearly basis to obtain the latest and up-to-date technologies. This course is divided into two different parts, the lectures and the labs. There are 15 chapters in the textbooks, which I will discuss in the next slide. The lab consists of two different parts, IPPBX Brikiki, which is a voice over IP application geared towards small to medium size enterprises, and Cisco Unified Call Manager Express or CUCME. Chapter 1 through 5 in the textbook talks about network infrastructure. What is network infrastructure? Network infrastructure basically is an interconnected group of computer systems linked by the various parts of hardware, software, and services. Typical network infrastructures include networking hardwares such as routers, switches, and cablings, networking software such as network operation and management, operating system, firewall, network services such as wireless protocol or IP addressing, T1 line, DSL, or satellite. Chapter 6 in the textbook talks about telephony fundamental. The public switch telephone network explains the public switch telephone network. It explains the major component of VoIP and the specific consideration that must be addressed when implementing VoIP networks. Chapter 7 talks about telephony hardware. It explains major component of PSTN and VoIP hardware such as PBX, integrated service router, and telephone adapters. Chapter 8, data and voice. It explains the basic operation and components involved in IP telephony calls, including RTP, RTCP, H320T, SIP protocol, and Skinny protocol, which is a Cisco proprietary signaling protocol. Chapter 9, multimedia and video. It explains the choice and functioning of various video, standard, and multimedia system. Chapter 10 discusses understanding the quality of services. It explains how packet switching works, how to minimize packet loss and delay in the VoIP environment, and how to calculate bandwidth needed by a given call. Chapter 11, Convergent Network Management. Student will learn how to administer, analyze, manage, and troubleshoot the Convergent network. Chapter 12, Troubleshooting. It explains the methodologies of troubleshooting on a Convergent network. Chapter 13, Security Vulnerabilities. Student will learn how to assess the vulnerability of a Convergent network and find the right solution. And the last chapter in the textbook talks about security solution. It compares and contrasts the various approaches to securing a VoIP. In the lab part, for the lab portion, students will learn how to configure routers, VLAN, routing protocol, OSPF, and EIGRP, DNS, and DHCP. Also, students will learn how to set up, to install, set up, configure, troubleshoot, and administer IPPBX application, VoIP application, SIP IP phone, X-Lite cell phone, and analog phone. The last part of the lab, students will learn how to capture packets and wiretap VoIP calls using Wiresharks. This is the introduction of the CITP 4345 course. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video.